Hi, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? It's about that time and I want to do my monthly maintenance, that is DIY maintenance. I do everything by myself. So I've done this sewing. I did this sewing around the last week of January and it's the first week of March. That makes it like 6 or 7 weeks and it's still nice in there, but I want to switch things up, get braids or something like that. And I also want to switch up these nails as well. I did them for Valentine's Day. They're still nice and intact, but I want to do something new. So yeah, I also want to do like a reset skincare, my body care routine for the month, basically everything I do to look pretty throughout the month. Yeah, so let's get into the DIY maintenance. It's been like an hour and my hair is washed and blow dried. I'm not going to say straightened because it's not really straight. So let's just get into it. And what I'm going for today is this really cute boho twist. The hair I'm going to be using is this a beautiful Spanish bulk hair. It's the short one. I'm also going to be using the Lash Makeba long braids in the color 33. I'll update you on where I'm at as the night goes on. It's 9:17 and we have the first row done. I'm going to try and see if I can finish this tonight. I want to finish these back sections and then I'll come back and we'll see how long that took me. Now this is one pack of hair done and I do not know why I thought I would go through 6 packs, because I think I'm going to go through maximum 3 packs. My target is that I be done by 1 a.m. I don't see that happening, maybe 2. Hi, so this is an update, 2 packs in. This is how it looks. It feels so full and I'm scared that it might get even way more full, because this might end up being 2 packs, because 1 pack is giving me like 20 braids. It's currently 12:44 and I think that should mean that I'm going to take 1 hour, 1.5 hours for the top part, because I just took 1 hour to do the second braid. This is how far I'm at. I have this entire side completed and I only have like 8 braids left. I'm done with the 3rd pack. It's at 2:24 right now and oh my god, that means I'm going to sleep at around 4. It's 3:01 and I am done. All that is left is cutting the ends of the curls and I'm gonna go to bed. Everything else is going to be done tomorrow, because honestly I am so tired. I just did my makeup and this hair Yeah, I love the color, I love the curls. I just put it into a bun. Now I want to do my nails. I don't want to wait like really late so that I can start doing them. I'm thinking of doing a blue color design, something of that sort. Let's go and do this and try and do the nails. I have a tutorial on these nails. I'll link it up here and also in the description box. Make sure to check that out. Now that the major things are done, I want to focus on the small things, that is shaving, doing my lashes. So when it comes to shaving, it's the normal shaving my face and shaving my brows or shaping my brows. For my body, I usually use hair removal cream, and the one that I usually use is Vit. So now that I have applied the Vit, I'm going to shave my face, and I usually apply tea tree oil. This is from the herbal oils, and I usually use tea tree oil because there was a time I used to use it as my face serum and it did not affect my face. I have very sensitive face, so I'm really careful with what I apply. So I'm just going to make sure I massage that in so well so that it penetrates. It's going to act as my shaving cream. And I'm going to be using a razor blade. I feel like this is comfortable and I have control over what I do. is me after shaving, and right now, since I just had the oil, I'm going to massage it back in. I'm going to take a very detailed shower, and then I'll come back and we will move from there. Immediately after shower, I usually apply this baby oil to areas that I shaved, and this helps with irritation. Since I'm doing lashes today, I'm going to first apply my lashes, and then I can apply stuff on my face. And I also need to exfoliate. I'm going to be using retinol serum to exfoliate. These are the lashes that I usually use. I got them from Kilimall, and as you can see, they're running out. So these are the two sets that I usually use a lot for my inner eye, and they ran out. But I'm going to try and use it as is. It comes with the lashes, some tweezers, glue, and bonder. When I say this eye has stressed me out so much, honestly, I was about to give up. I was like this close to giving up. Let's do this eye real quick. This is how we're looking, and when I say this is not my usual look, it's not. It's a bit much. I should have done like fewer pieces since they are longer. So right now I just want to do the bonder. This is the clear thingy that is usually on the other side. This is the aftermath. This is how my hands look. Everywhere I have glue and bonder and all that. But anyway, this is how we're looking. I wore my glasses just to check, and they sure do dull down or dim down the intensity of the lashes. So I'm grateful that I wear glasses for the first time ever. So let me do just a little bit of the skincare routine. This is the retinol serum that I'm going to be using. It comes in the same package as the other serums that I usually use. And then I'm going to use the hyaluronic acid from the same set. When I say I love this serum, I do. I use it every morning and every night, and my dehydrated skin loves it so much. I do not do much, just that amount. And this is how I'm looking. I just want that to dry down, and I apply my moisturizer. Yeah, so that was maintenance week for me, where I got to do my hair, my nails, my lashes, and shave. Honestly, I feel so refreshed and really happy about this. I love that I got to do this for myself, by myself, and it's something that I love because I get to see how creative I can be and how much my skill has grown. I hope to see you in my next vlog, and if you want to see anything from my maintenance day, let me know and I'll do a comprehensive video for you guys. And make sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.